Hi, my name is Nathan Hirsch, and welcome to the Outsource School YouTube channel. My business partner, Connor Gillivan, and I built an 8-figure business completely run by virtual assistants. No office, no US employees, and we exited that business selling it to the Hoth in 2019. Since then, we've helped thousands of entrepreneurs take our hiring process and plug it into their business, allowing them to hire A players quickly and keep them around motivated for years to come. That's what Outsource School is all about. On this YouTube channel, you will find tons of videos where we teach you the basics of interviewing, onboarding, training, and managing, along with SOPs, standard operating procedures, that you can plug into the marketing and operations of your business. If you like the free content on our YouTube channel, check out Outsource School's paid program. Go to outsourceschool.com and you can book a call with our virtual assistant to learn more about becoming an Outsource School member. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and leave us a comment if you have any questions about hiring virtual assistants. Looking forward to seeing you in our community.